Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Xumm in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies like XRP, you know how important it is to move your assets securely between platforms. Xumm is a popular wallet for XRP, offering great features for managing your digital coins, so let's get you set up step by step. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Coinbase and Xumm. If you don't, download the Xumm app and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged into Coinbase, head over to your dashboard and locate your XRP wallet. Check your balance to ensure you have enough XRP to transfer, remembering to account for any network fees that might apply in 2025. These fees can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Next, open the Xumm app on your phone or device. Go to the wallet section and generate or select your XRP receiving address. This is a unique string of characters. Copy it carefully to your clipboard. Pro tip: double-check the address to prevent any costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back in Coinbase, click on the Send or Withdraw option for your XRP. Paste the Xumm address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the details. Before you hit confirm, verify everything one more time: amount, address, and fees. Once you're good, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the XRP to show up in your Xumm wallet, depending on network congestion in 2025. Finally, once it's done, check your Xumm balance to ensure the transfer was successful. Congrats! You've just moved your XRP like a pro. If you run into any issues, always reach out to the support teams on these platforms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.